Alert everybody, please shut the fuck up. Carlo13242. Today, Chuck 1337 is not here because he's moving the salon. That problem we don't have in Minecraft. We just hit the grass and then it disappears, and sometimes there will come seeds. I be slowing grass. Okay, but the reason why I wanted to make this video, you know my famous build. Very, very famous build.
You know my favorite
towers.
build. No, we don't.
It's very, very. Look, the chickens love it. The chickens love it. But now I'm gonna kill it. Come here. I can hit on distance because it is creative. What the hell is this? I don't actually know what I will make now. I think I'll make a igloo. I will find the snow. But the hell, why don't it do as I do? I will do like this. What's the hell?
Den der video på min channel, ikke også? Den er på den der...
You have to speak English or else I will ban you. Arsenal. This is how I will make it now. Look, I got snow. Now I will turn the Twin Towers into the Snow Twin Towers.
Hey,
now we got the Snow Twin Towers. And that is what I wanted to show you today. So now we got 2 igloos. Now we wanna make a really, really big igloo. Look, this is eine grande igloo. Very, very big. Now we got a huge igloo. Now we wanna fly. And now we wanna place here. Now I got the igloo. Now I wanna live in the igloo. We will do that by doing this. Look. Then we do this. And then we do this.
Hello, William er på nu.
But I'm not William. I am Frostbite 730. But don't blame me for the ring angels. But stop drilling. Stop drilling a hole. What is this? What are you talking about? Hey, what's the hell? For Satan. What the hell is wrong with you, kid? Are you kleine Arschloch?
Hello, videoen er på nu, den er fucking...
What is this? Why you be laughing? I don't understand.
Oh yeah.
I thought you were my friend. But you're just kinda Arschloch. I am now making a house. I will live here forever. This is the perfect version of a perfect house. Look, now I will dance. And now I wanna get out.
Den er grinen, hvad sker?
I am out. Now I will dance. I am free. Psycho Billy freak out. Oh god, I'm flying. Now I will dance up here. I am fucking the air. I will fly up high in the sky. Look, that is the sun. That is my goal. I will catch you, son. Not sun, but sun, the shining thing. I will catch you soon. You cannot stay there forever. I will come and kill you with eyes. Why the hell is my leg moving when I'm going straight up?
What the fucking genial!
It looks very, very stupid. Okay, that is the sun. I'm coming closer to the sun. Am I coming up? I think I'm coming up. Let me look. I am on my way up.
William,
I'm way over the sky. I will continue up. What the hell? Now I got default skin. What the hell is going on? I will drop some of this ice. I will drop some. Then I'll become lighter. Maybe if I fill my... What the hell? Now I disappear. Now I'm still there. Okay, I will fill my inventory with ice and snow. Then I will maybe become... Then I will maybe become Frostbite 730 once again. I will fill my inventory with ice.
William.
What?
Ej, synes filmer du lige nu?
I'll be filming. I am now not ice, but I filled my inventory by ice. I wanna be ice. Ooh, I can see something. Can I move further up? I think I can't move further. But sun, I wanna catch you. Then I just walk into sky. I think I'll stop flying now. Video. What? What the hell? I wanna become Frostbite again. Can't you start falling? Whee! Even if I am falling down, no need to worry. Even if I am falling down, I just wanna become Frostbite 730 instead of pumpkins. I will get the pumpkins. Hey, why don't I get the pumpkins? I want to. Why do I have the false skin? I am really angry. Hear me, I am angry. I wanna kill a pig. I will go kill a pig. What is this? That is eine watch. Why didn't I turn that off when I started making a video? I don't know. Ooh, look, that's a pig. Hi pig. You are really cute. And now you're soon dead. Goodbye. Hey, come here, you little Satan minion. Die. Kill the pig. I am destroying everything. I think I'll go kill myself. I will continue down. There's almost no air down here. I'm getting forced to go. Ooh, redstone. Why do I start to take this if I can't? Because I'm an idiot. Ooh, gold. I am really pleased by that. I can't destroy more things. I am really upset. I will go down. Ooh, I am falling into survive. I will now die. I dropped all my eyes. Ooh, I will continue. Ooh, a brown sheep. But I don't think we are coming anymore in this. Ooh, I will collect this egg, and then when I collect the eggs at the exact point, the video will stop.